inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes, down your hands and relax. Students, this is the first period of English literature and today we will start our second term because we already did our first term. Our first term is completed now and we read chapter 1 to 6 in our first term and we will read chapter 7 to chapter 11 in our second term. As you can see on the board, all chapters are written over here. Chapter 7 hijack, chapter 8 line breaks, chapter 9 meeting our uncle, chapter 10 mystery of seeds and chapter 11 our father started to a doctor. We will read 5 chapters, chapter 7 to chapter 11 in our second term. So today we will read chapter 7 hijack here and now we are going to start our second term. The students, take out your literature book and open up page number 47, chapter 7, hijack. Do you know the meaning of hijack? 1. An aircraft was undertaken to any terrorist, that is called the plane is hijacked. That means that aircraft is hijacked. Alright? That means few terrorists or few that candidates whose intention is not good, they enters in the aircraft and they command the pilot. Then the plane is hijacked. So here's the story of a hijack and this hijack took place with a aircraft which was moving from Hong Kong. Okay, let's start the story. This is a story based on a girl, Joya. This is a story depends on a girl. The main character of the story is a girl, Joya, who is telling his story, his real story here when her plane was hijacked by some terrorists. Somehow we can say 2 terrorists. Alright, was Chinese. So this plane was moving to Hong Kong and Joya was there inside the plane. First of all, Joya boarded inside the plane, boarded to went upon plane. Joya boarded plane. First of all, she listened to a very sweet voice of our air hostess who asked for ticket and she showed her ticket to her and then she received her seat. The third row seat was there for Joya and now she took her seat there and placed there properly. Now the second voice was there which was captain's voice and a message board showing over the LED and then captain ordered or commanded them for seat belts because now the plane was ready to take off. So they all followed the command of the captain and they tied up their seat belts and they all was ready. Now the plane took off and Joya enjoyed the scenery of outside. Now the plane was there up then clouds. That means the plane was there in heights. So Joya was enjoying the scenery of outside and then what happened? And now she was able to see the buildings of China and harbor. Do you know where is Hong Kong? Hong Kong is there in China. So this was a visit of Hong Kong which Joya did and Joya did this visit for a beauty contest to take a part in a beauty contest. This was a noon time, that's why the lunch was served to everyone because this is a thing inside the aeroplanes will provide there. So according to aeroplane rules, the lunch was served to everyone and everyone was enjoying their journey. Sudden, two candidates stood up and moved to cockpit where pilot was handling the plane, the controlling room of plane from where the plane was controlled. Two pilots was there inside the cockpit and two men entered the cockpit and they ordered to the pilot in Chinese language. They ordered to the pilot in Chinese language. The meaning of that, keep quiet and fly to Hong Kong. That is written over here as you can see in the book. Alright. Keep quiet and fly to Hong Kong. Now there was no another way. So pilot took that order of them and they used to move the plane as usual. Now everything was very quiet there. They didn't point anyone, they didn't hurt anyone, they didn't do any harm to anyone, but the plane was moving in its own condition. But everyone was excited there because it was not allowed and it is not allowed anywhere to enter in a cockpit. So how to candidates moved there? What they are doing inside the cockpit? The Joya was also thinking there that because she was also passenger of plane. So she thought that what the both candidates was doing there inside the cockpit, which was not allowed for normal passengers. Now a sound came and that sound was, I am Captain Sharma and our plane is hijacked. That means the plane was hijacked by that two persons. And the Mr. Sharma said, they ordered us to move Hong Kong. Now we are following their order and we are moving to Hong Kong. All passenger was stopped. All passenger was totally stopped that the plane was hijacked. So now Joya was in uncontrolled thinking that how will she took part in a beauty contest. She went to Hong Kong for a beauty contest, right? So she thought that now what will she do? So a lady was there who was very scared after this sound. She was very scared after this announcement of captain. So except that lady, everything was very easy there because nobody harmed no one. After that, Mr. Sharma announced that the candidate ordered them for emergency landing. You know what emergency landing? That means that was not comfort for aeroplane, that was not a track for aeroplane, that is a normal land where we are moving by foot. So the two men ordered to pilot for emergency landing. So Mr. Sharma said, just lose your clothes. That means anything could be happen there. Anything could be happen there. It might possible the plane should be crashed. So Mr. Sharma said to the candidates, please unto all tight clothing. Please unto all tight clothing. Just do unto your belts, your ties. Take out your knee up. Take up your knee up and take your both hands around your head. That means be prepared for anything. Any harm could be there. So be prepared for anything. Undo tight clothing, undo tight belts, tight ties, tight whatever you took tight, just loose that all and bend your knees. Take your both arms near your head also whispering something as like he was chanting something. So everyone did his work and everyone was very afraid. But when the aeroplane landed, the light seems like dark, that was looking, the light flew away in the cloud. The look was very dark inside the plane. Everyone was thought of it that the plane will crash. The plane will crash definitely. After that they felt some jerk there and now the plane was land safely. The plane was land safely. But a single candidate said this is not a land where a plane can move properly. This is not a land of planes. And that was right. That was a field, a simple field. That was not a track where an aeroplane can land. The place of aeroplane landing, that was not the track. That was a plain field. When they both man a candidate was tall in them, they both came out from the cockpit. 3 candidates who was sitting in the front seat, 3 candidates shouted to arrest them. The 3 was policemen. They ordered for arrest them, right? So they was policemen. Everyone was clapped there. Everyone was praised them, and that was a bravery thing which they did. And the 2 men were watched by the policemen. And all candidates said well done to policemen, and it was the time where everyone was safe, everyone was out of danger. So I hope you all understand the chapter well. It was an explanation in English. Now I am going to explain it in Hindi for your comfort. ये कहानी है जोया नाम की एक लड़की की जो हांगकांग जा रही थी एक ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्ट लेने के लिए, और जब उसका प्लेन हाईजैक हुआ तो उसने क्या फील किया, ये वो कहानी अपनी बता रही है। तो वो बता रही है कि जब वो प्लेन के अंदर उसने बोर्ड किया, मतलब वो प्लेन के अंदर गई और एक उसको स्वीट सी वॉइस सुनाई पड़ी एयर होस्टेस की, जिसने टिकट चेक किया। फिर जब उसको थर्ड रो में अपनी सीट मिली, तब वो जाकर के अपनी सीट पे बैठी और वहाँ पर उसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिले कैप्टन के द्वारा, और सारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस एक LED टीवी पे प्रॉपर चल रहे थे, लिखे हुए मूव कर रहे थे। जोया ने आराम से अपनी सीट बेल्ट बांधी और प्लेन जो है वो टेक ऑफ कर गया। उसके बाद में जोया बाहर देख रही थी, उसको बिल्डिंग्स दिख रहे थे, क्लाउड्स दिख रहे थे, उसको अच्छा सा नज़ारा दिख रहा था बाहर का। वो अपने सीनरी को एंजॉय कर रही थी आराम से बैठ करके। उसके बाद में वहाँ पे लंच जो है वो मिला प्रॉपर सभी पैसेंजर्स को। ये रूल होता है एयरप्लेन का कि उसमें डिनर और लंच प्रोवाइड किया जाता है। वैसे ही वहाँ पर दोपहर का टाइम होने की वजह से लंच दिया गया। अचानक से 2 लोग थे, जिसमें से एक लंबा आदमी था और दोनों चाइनीज लग रहे थे। वो अचानक से कॉकपिट, जहाँ पे पायलट्स बैठते हैं जो प्लेन को पूरा मैनेज करते हैं, जो प्लेन को ड्राइव करते हैं, जो कैप्टन जहाँ बैठे थे वहाँ पर अंदर चले गए, जो कि अलाउ नहीं होता है नॉर्मली पैसेंजर्स को कॉकपिट में जाना अलाउ नहीं होता है। 2 कैंडिडेट सडन जो है वो उसके अंदर चले गए। तो सबको क्यूरियोसिटी हुई कि जो चीज़ अलाउ नहीं है वो कैसे होगी, 2 लोग अंदर जाके क्या कर रहे हैं, और वहाँ पर जा कर के उन्होंने प्लेन को हाईजैक कर लिया, मतलब अपने कंट्रोल में ले लिया। और कैप्टन को एक स्लिप दी, बिकॉज दे कैन ओनली स्पीक चाइनीज, वो चाइनीज में बोल सकते थे, इसलिए उन्होंने कैप्टन को एक स्लिप दी और उसमें लिखा हुआ था कीप क्वाइट एंड फ्लाई टू हांगकांग, शांत रहो और हांगकांग की तरफ उड़ते रहो। वहाँ पर सभी आश्चर्य में तो थे कि दोनों अंदर कैसे चले गए। फिर अचानक से जो कैप्टन शर्मा थे उन्होंने अनाउंस किया कि हमारा प्लेन हाईजैक हो गया है। ये सुन के सबके सब स्तब्ध रह गए। एक औरत थी उनमें से जो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान थी, बाकी सब कुछ प्लेन में नॉर्मल था, क्योंकि किसी के ऊपर उन्होंने कोई हमला झुका करके बैठ जाइए, क्योंकि जो वो दो हाईजैकर्स थे उन्होंने कैप्टन शर्मा को कमांड दी थी एरोप्लेन को लैंड कराने के लिए। और एरोप्लेन कहाँ लैंड हो रहा था ये किसी को भी नहीं मालूम था, क्योंकि इसका एक पर्टिकुलर ट्रैक होता है जहाँ पे प्लेन जो है वो लैंड होते हैं, लेकिन वो कहाँ पे लैंड करा रहे थे इसकी किसी को भी कोई भी सूचना नहीं थी, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं थी कि वो कहाँ पर प्लेन को लैंड करा रहे हैं। ये भी पॉसिबिलिटीज ज़्यादा थी कि हो सकता था कि प्लेन जो है वो क्रैश भी हो सकता था, कोई बड़ा हादसा भी हो सकता था। लेकिन सबने फॉलो किया। वहाँ पे एक लेडी थी, वो लगातार जो है कुछ मुंह से हल्का हल्का सा बोल रही थी। एक कैंडिडेट थे जो लग रहा था कि किसी चर्च या किसी धर्म स्थान के कोई जो है वो पुजारी है, संत हैं, उनके हाथ में रोजरी भी थी, तो वो कहीं से आए हुए थे, दैट मीन्स। तो वो लग रहा था वो भी कुछ ना कोई अपने जो है भगवान के उससे कुछ ना कुछ वो बोल रहे थे, एज लाइक मंत्र, मतलब वो कुछ ना कुछ चैंट कर रहे थे अपने, उनका मुंह जो है चलता हुआ समझ में आ रहा था। तो ये सब डरे हुए थे और सब कुछ ना कुछ अंदर से भगवान को याद कर रहे थे। और जब प्लेन जो है जब वो लैंड होने के लिए हुआ तो पूरे प्लेन में अंधेरा सा हो गया, सबको लगा कि लाइट जैसे बादलों में ही हो गई है, पूरे प्लेन में अंधेरा हो गया था और प्लेन लैंड कर रहा था। सबको अचानक से एक झटका सा लगा, जर्क सा फील हुआ और प्लेन सेफली लैंड कर गया। जो एक सोच थी कि कोई हादसा हो सकता था, वो हादसा नहीं हुआ, प्लेन लैंडेड सेफली, प्लेन अच्छे से लैंड कर गया। लेकिन उसमें से एक कैंडिडेट ने पूछा कि जहाँ पर जो है प्लेन लैंड कर रहा है वो कोई ट्रैक नहीं है, और ये बात सच भी थी। जहाँ पे प्लेन लैंड किया था वहाँ पे कोई भी ट्रैक नहीं था, वो एक नॉर्मल मैदान जैसा कुछ था जहाँ पर प्लेन लैंड कर गया। जब वो दोनों जो हाईजैकर्स थे वो जब बाहर की तरफ आए तब उनको जो है तीन लोग जो आगे बैठे हुए थे, थ्री कैंडिडेट जो फ्रंट सीट पे बैठे हुए थे, उन्होंने उनको क्या किया, पकड़ लिया, अरेस्ट कर लिया। दैट मीन्स वो तीनों पुलिस ऑफिसर्स थे और उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन पहले से ही थी कि इसमें हाईजैकर्स जा रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने उन हाईजैकर्स को कंट्रोल में ले लिया, अंडर अरेस्ट कर लिया। उसके बाद सारे कैंडिडेट्स ने उन पुलिसमैन को पीस किया, मतलब उनको बहुत उत्साहवर्धन किया उनका। और उसके बाद अब जो है जो जितने भी पैसेंजर और प्लेन था वो आउट ऑफ डेंजर था, खतरे से बाहर था, हाईजैकर्स गिरफ्तार किए जा चुके थे और अब प्लेन फ्री था। तो ये वो जर्नी थी जो जोया ने महसूस करी जब उसका प्लेन हाईजैक हो गया था। प्लेन किधर जा रहा था, हांगकांग जा रहा था। So students, I hope you understand the chapter in English and Hindi both. I told you the summary of the chapter, and now it's your turn to do hard words and learn word meanings of the chapter and try to do exercise of the chapter by your own. Look at page number 49. Word meanings and exercise is given here. Exercise is not too large. It's easy to do. Pick the correct option.
Morning students, welcome to Shivaji Gurukul Institution online classes. Students, this is your maths class and today we will start our next chapter, chapter 5, and chapter name is subtraction. Okay students, so let's start. First exercise 5a. Students, and the topic is subtraction. Students, as we learn the subtraction 3 digit numbers, okay, in our previous class, so we will discuss about the subtraction of 4 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, okay. So now we start our exercise. A part, subtract the, okay, and the question number 1 is 3, 7, 8, ones, tens, and hundreds. First we arrange these numbers in this form: ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Okay, and second one is 6, 0, 1. Now subtract the numbers. Here 1's place, 10's place, and 100 place, and these are the numbers arranged in this form. Okay, first we subtract 1's place number. Okay, 1's place number means 8 and 6. When we subtract 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next we subtract 10's place number. 10's place number means 7 and 0. 7 minus 0, 7. Next, 100's place number, subtract this. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And the answer is 272. Okay students, question number 2. Question number 2 is 1's place, 10's place, and 100's place. And the question is 591. Second number 3, 6, and 0. Now subtract this. 1 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. And the answer is 231. Okay students, understood? So rest the question you have to do yourself. Okay. Now go to part B. Find the difference between. Question number first, 725 and 700. Okay. First we arrange the number in column. 1's place, 10's place, and 100's place. 725 minus 700. Okay, subtract these numbers. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. And the answer is 25. Students, question number 2. Question number 2 is subtract 153 and 256. Now subtract these numbers. 1's, 10's, and 100's place. 256 minus 153. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. And the answer is 103. Okay students. Next part C. C part is subtract the numbers. Okay, question number 1, 431 and 431 from 935. 431 from 935. Okay, put the value 935 minus 431. Okay, now subtract 5 minus 1 4, 3 minus 3 0, 9 minus 4 5, and answer is 504. Okay, so question number 2 and 3 is same as question number 1. Students, now come to our next part, part B. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What must be added to 243 to get 783? It means what must be added to 243 to get 783? It means subtract 783 minus 243. Ones, tens and hundreds there. Subtract these numbers. 3 minus 3 0, 8 minus 4 4, 7 minus 2 5. It means 540. When we add 540 plus 243, we get 783. Now check the answer. 540 plus 243. 3 4 4 8 5 2 7. Here the numbers are same, so it means your answer is correct. It means when we add 540 243, we get 783. Okay, question number 2. The sum of two numbers is 838. If the greater of the two numbers is 528, find the smaller number. Okay. Question number 2. Sum is equal to greater number plus smaller number. Means if we sum any two numbers, it means we have two numbers 2 and 3. We have two numbers. The greater number is 3 and the smaller number is 2. What is the sum of these two numbers? The sum of these two numbers is equal to 5. Okay, this is the formula. The sum is equal to greater number plus smaller number. Okay, now the sum of two numbers is 838. It means sum is given 838. Sorry, and the greater of the two numbers is 528. It means greater number is 528. Find the smaller number. Okay, plus smaller number. Find the smaller number. So smaller number is equal to 838 minus 528. Okay, 838 minus 528 is equal to smaller number. Okay, now subtract these numbers. Ones, tens and hundreds place. 838 minus 528. 8 minus 8 0, 3 minus 2 1, 8 minus 5 3, and the answer is 310. Okay, the smaller number is 310 and the greater number is 528, and the sum of the greater number and the smaller number is equal to 835. Okay, understood? show your exercise 5A please. Next exercise 5B. Okay, exercise 5B. Now start the subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Okay, so question number A. So part A, question number first. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now put the value 8, 3, 6 and 5. 5 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place and 8 is in thousand place. Second, 7210 and subtract these values. 5 minus 0, 5, 6 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 2, 1, 8 minus 7, 1. And the answer is 1155. This one's answer is 1155. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 1624. Next, 313. Now subtract these values. Here, no number, so we put 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 3, 6. And 1 minus 0, 1. And the answer is 1311. Okay, students? So rest the questions are same as question number 1 and 2. So now come to next part, part B. Arrange in columns and subtract. Okay, students? Arrange in column and subtract. First we arrange the numbers in column and subtract. So first question is 6518 minus 2306. Okay, ones, tens, thousands and hundreds and thousands means these are 4-digit numbers. So we ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now put the value 6518 2306 minus 8 minus 6 2 1 minus 0 1 5 minus 3 2 and 6 minus 2 4 and the answer is 4212. Okay, so students, next question number 2 to question number 6 is same, so you have to do yourself. Now come to part C. Find the difference between 4256 and 6469. Find the difference between 4256 and 6469. Okay, first we arrange these numbers in column. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand place, and 6469. First we put the greatest number and we subtract the smallest number from the greatest number. 4256 minus 9 minus 6 3, 6 minus 5 2, 4 minus 2 2 and 6 minus 4 2, and the answer is 2223. Difference understood? Answer is 2223. Next part, question number 2, 3, 4 is same as question number 1. Students, our last D part is fill in the boxes with the correct digits. So question number 1 Here is a box 5, 7, another box 6, box 1, 3, 2, 3, then 3, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand place. Okay, students, we have to fill these boxes. Now, here we have to find a number when we subtract a number with 3 and we get 3. As you know, when we subtract 3 from 6, we get 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 7 minus 1, 6. What we subtract from 5, we get 3. When we subtract 2 from 5, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now 6, when we subtract 6 from 8, we get 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay, all the boxes are filled. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, students? So, your exercise 5B list. Students, today's class is over. Now, write down your homework. Do exercise 5A and 5B. Do exercise 5A and 5B. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, students. I welcome to you all Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Students, this is the last period. This is computer periods. So let's start. Chapter number 4 and chapter name is formatting tools in MS Word. I will discuss about formatting tools in MS Word. Okay. So student, take out your book and open your page number 54. Okay, formatting tools in MS Word. So student, some topics is here. From first topic in this chapter, changing the font and font size. Changing the font and font size. Okay. And size. Are you clear? Now next topic is this chapter, changing the font color. अब क्या करना है? Font color. Font color. Okay. Now next topic is in this chapter, making text bold, italic, or underline. Okay. Next, making bold and italic. Okay. Now next topic is here, changing text alignment. Changing text alignment. Okay. Printing our documents. Last topic in this chapter, printing a document. Okay. So student, some topics in this chapter, changing the font size. The next step, changing the font color. Okay. Now next is making bold italic. Okay. Now next,
changing text alignment, and last topic in this chapter, printing of documents. Are you clear? So let's start reading. Open this page 54. Okay, you can change the font, size and color of the text in Word document. Okay, changing the appearance of text is called formatting. Define a formatting, changing the appearance of text. जो हम change करते हैं कोई भी text में, वो हमारी क्या होती है? Formatting होती है. Okay. So note down definition. Formatting. Changing the appearance of text is called a formatting. Okay. You can also make other changes to the text. जैसे कौन से changes कर सकते हैं? Changing the alignment भी करते हैं, bold करते हैं, italic करते हैं, underline कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? All such changes can make a documents look attractive. See here students, ये क्या होते हैं? Font group होते हैं ये. ठीक है? And ये क्या है? आपका font size है. And ये this is font. Okay. And this is font color. Okay, we picture this font color. Okay, the font group of the home tab, ये कहाँ पर होता है? Home tab पर होता है. Has various options that you can use to format the text. Now next topics go on changing the font and font size. Draw the font and font size. Each letter, number or symbols used in text document is called a character. Okay. Note down the word character. Each letter number or symbol used in जो हम यूज करते हैं टेक्स्ट में. Symbol used in text document is called a character. Okay. अब font क्या होता है? A character design in a particular way is called a font. कोई भी लेटर को अगर हम इसको डिजाइन करेंगे तो क्या होता है? फॉन्ट होता है. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फॉन्ट. ओके. सो नोट डाउन डेफिनेशन. Font. A character designed in a particular way is called a font. Okay, a character designed in a particular way is called a font. Okay, font size is the overall size of font shown on the screen when printed on a page. जो स्पीड डिपेंड okay? To change the font and font size of the text, कैसे हम चेंज कर सकते हैं फॉन्ट को और उसके फॉन्ट साइज को? नंबर फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट। कोई भी टेक्स्ट होता है तो हमको उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, ओके? सेलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट विल बी हाईलाइटेड इन ग्रे। जो टेक्स्ट होता है वो हमारा हाईलाइटेड होता है। सी हियर स्टूडेंट, इस तरीके से जो हमारा सेलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट होता है, जैसे ये है प्लांट मोर ट्रीज, ओके? इस पर हम क्या करेंगे? सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो ये हमारा ग्रे कलर से आपको शो करेगा, ठीक है? ये हमारा क्या होता है? सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट होता है, ओके? नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट इज हियर, क्लिक ऑन द ड्रॉप डाउन एरो ऑफ द फॉन्ट बॉक्स इन द फॉन्ट ग्रुप ऑफ द होम टैब, ओके? नाउ थर्ड, then click on the drop down arrow the font size box in the font group of the home tab। अब यहाँ पे क्या है? क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे, ठीक? ये यहाँ पे फिर आप यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? फॉन्ट साइज करेंगे, ठीक है? जो थर्ड पॉइंट है, देन क्लिक ऑन द ड्रॉप डाउन एरो ऑफ द फॉन्ट साइज। तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? साइज बढ़ाएंगे। आपको कितने साइज पे रखना है? 14 पे, 15 पे, 19 पे, आपको जो भी साइज लेना है फॉन्ट से ले सकते हो, ओके? नाउ नेक्स्ट, चेंजिंग द फॉन्ट कलर। अब फॉन्ट कलर कैसे चेंज करते हैं? मतलब आपने क्या साइज कलर क्या फॉन्ट कलर। नाउ नेक्स्ट है चेंजिंग द फॉन्ट कलर। टू चेंज द कलर ऑफ टेक्स्ट फॉलो दिस स्टेप। सी हियर स्टूडेंट, changing the font color, changing the font color, okay? Number first point, select the text। आप क्या करेंगे? आप कोई भी टेक्स्ट को सेलेक्ट करेंगे। सेलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट, now next point, click on font color, drop down arrow in the font group। see here, यहाँ पर आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स के कलर्स लेंगे। ये सी, ओके? एटॉमिक ऑटोमेटिक थीम कलर्स में, ओके? आप वहाँ पे जाएंगे, क्लिक करेंगे एंड देन शो होगा। Click on font color, drop down arrow in the font group, in the font group, ओके? ये किसमें? ऑफ द होम टैब। ये किसमें होता है? होम टैब। आपको किसमें मिलेगा? होम टैब, ओके? तो आपका क्या हो जाएगा? चेंजिंग द फॉन्ट कलर। आप इस तरीके से चेंज कर सकते हैं फॉन्ट के कलर को, ओके? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मेकिंग टेक्स्ट बोल्ड, इटैलिक एंड अंडरलाइन। अब आप कैसे कोई भी लेटर को बोल्ड कर सकते हैं, हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं, इटैलिक वे में कर सकते हैं, या फिर उस पर क्या कर सकते हैं? अंडरलाइन कर सकते हैं। सी, ये देखिए, ये क्या है? इसको आपने क्या किया? बोल्ड किया, ओके? एंड नेक्स्ट इटैलिक लेटर्स में, एंड नेक्स्ट आपने क्या किया? इसको अंडरलाइन किया, ओके? ये सब किसमें होता है? फॉन्ट में, ओके? टेक्स्ट कैन बी मेड टू ड्रॉ अटेंशन बाय मेकिंग इट bold, italic or underlined. Bold text appear darker than normal text. Italic text appear in slanted. एक मिनट, wait. italic and underline. Underline. Okay. Bold letter. For example, plant more tree. Okay, ये क्या है? Bold letter. Okay. Now next, italic letter. The slanting line है. Okay, plant and then more. Next, tree. This is italic letters. Okay, and then next is underline. Plant more trees. This is underline. Okay, are you clear? Making text bold, italic and underlines. Okay, so students, complete these pages 54 to and 56 and learn it properly. Okay, note down homework. Now do revise chapter 4 and page number 56 to 54 to 56. 54 to 56. Okay. So student, this is your last period.